video, I will be talking about Ethereum and the very dangerous scenario where Ethereum can see potentially a very significant rejection from this most important level of resistance in the market right now. So on this video, I will be discussing this exact level right here. I will be talking about Ethereum, the levels to be watching, the most important resistance lines, and of course support levels to be watching right now, and much more, because yes, I will be talking about where I personally think this market is heading towards right now. So don't forget to slap up that like button right now, because on the previous video we were about to smash it up to 500 likes, and can we do it on today's update video? That will be absolutely amazing. So smash up that like button and let me talk about Ethereum and the reason why I am still taking this very slow right here. So first of all, yes, I do know next month the Ethereum merge is going to come out, and that is a highly anticipated update for Ethereum where everyone is starting to get excited from. However, I don't want to be front run everything, because currently Ethereum is still running in towards major resistance here on the weekly time frame, like you can see on this graph right here. Previous resistance flipped into support on the weekly time frame and currently is getting retested, and this could be very well a range where Ethereum is just going to see another move down towards from off. So please be very much aware, we are currently not out of the woods yet here, and of course if we do flip above this level, I personally think we could look for higher targets, but as long as we're not flipping above it, I shouldn't get too excited right now on Ethereum. Because also looking at the daily time frame, I have sorted out the most important levels of resistance and support to be watching right now on this chart right here. And like you can see here on the left side, previously around on this red box right here, we got significantly rejected twice. After breaking above it, it flipped into support not only once, not only twice, but several times in a row. Once flipping below it, it provided resistance again, and once flipping above it again, later on, it once again flipped into support and resistance once we were breaking below it. So this is definitely a very important level to be watching right now in the market, right? And like you can see right now on the right side of your screen, is that Ethereum is currently also once again getting rejected by this exact level right here. And I'm not saying that Ethereum necessarily has to come down right now, right? So of course, we can clearly see right now in this trend, the realistically speaking resistance we should be breaking is of course this resistance line here on the top side. What you can see, this of course the most important resistance to break, and so far we've not approached it. And if we're really going to be approaching that level and break above that resistance right here, what you can see, that is going to be of course extremely bullish for Ethereum. But of course the first realistic level to be breaking is that $2,000 barrier, what historically speaking has been providing significant resistance on the market. In case we want to be approaching our next major target of support, what is laying somewhere around the $1,500 or either around the $1,400, we want to be looking at the 4-hourly time frame for Ethereum, because yes, so far we're still trading in an uptrend, and as long as we're forming higher lows and higher highs, the trend is alright and we're probably going to keep on rising. However, if we break below this very important upper sloping green line of support, Ethereum could be potentially in for, of course, a more significant decreasement in price. So be very much aware, this 4-hour support line is definitely the level to be watching right here. And the reason why I am currently thinking and potentially expecting that Ethereum is going to have somewhat of a problem around this level on the weekly time frame regarding the upcoming merge that is going to come out here, is that at the end of August, there is going to be an approximately 120,000 Bitcoins getting released from Mt. Gox, and on top of that, Bitcoin is currently breaking bearish of its rising wedge, and my price target of this rising wedge is all the way down around to $21,000 to $22,000, what is already a significant decreasement. And my expectation right here is that Bitcoin is going to come down towards levels between 21 to 22k, consolidate a bit, and then at the beginning point of September, we're going to see a very strong exponential recovery. That is my expectation, because yes, still I think the last sell pressure has to run out here. I still think there could be, of course, a potential next sell with, of course, the Mt. Gox scenario also coming up here, and after that, we can start to be moving, above it. And realistically speaking, if we're going to look at the last time we were breaking above this $2,000 barrier, Ethereum went to $2,000 and fell all the way down to $1,300, then moved all the way back up here to $2,000 again here, moved down to $1,500, and then ultimately moved up. So I wouldn't be surprised to see either a move all the way down here towards $1,500 or either that move down here towards that level around that 1400 to 1300 US dollars for Ethereum. So these are one of the levels I am anticipating Ethereum is going to be reaching before breaking above the $2,000. So these are the levels that I could think Ethereum can be heading towards if in case, guys, if in case we do break up below this green line of support. I am seeing a lot of things that could spell trouble right now here, and you could benefit from this massively, because if you're going to be either spot the breakdown or you're going to be longing the retest, I would highly recommend, if you're going to be executing a trade, do it on BitGet. If you're signing up through my link in the description from BitGet, you will be first of all get a 5,000 US dollar deposit bonus. But more importantly, if you're from the US, you can easily trade with BitGet, no KYC, no VPN, and you can withdraw over 30 Bitcoins without having any KYC. So make sure to check out BitGet, definitely the best exchange to trade on right now. And furthermore, guys, this was it for today's update video. This was, of course, definitely a different kind of a video, but I'm still seeing this. I've been doing my analysis I've been doing my analysis here, and I can clearly see we are not out of the woods yet here. And of course, it doesn't mean that I'm selling off my Bitcoin and Ethereum right now. I am still buying more Bitcoin and Ethereum every single day, but this is definitely going to be a potential very big trading opportunity if Ethereum breaks below this green support line. So guys, this is definitely a thing to watch right now here. Smash up the like button if you like this very important information, and I hope to catch you guys in the next one. Peace out. Goodbye.